commentary on social media exploded about Trump declining to shake the hand of Nancy Pelosi, the snub heard round the world. Wait a minute, I can add a little more drama to this. The snub heard around the world. How's that for drama? But was it a snub? Now, the Nancy Pelosi acts, those are facts. I don't know if Trump actually snubbed. Let me explain. Because everyone's saying, oh, yeah, Trump didn't shake her hand, deliberately snubbed her. We don't know this. So when President Trump handed over his speech, when he handed over the copy of his State of the Union address inside the leather portfolio to Nancy Pelosi, and then Nancy Pelosi extended her hand, you know what? I'm giving Trump the benefit of the doubt here. Until somebody asks him, and I haven't seen where anyone has directly asked the president yet, but I'm going to tell you what my observation is and a possible explanation here. So, Nancy Pelosi did two things last night. First of all, regarding Nancy Pelosi and what the Speaker of the House does, regardless of which party is in power and who is the Speaker of the House, a couple of things here. Nancy Pelosi, right off the bat, could not bring herself to introduce the president using the respectful phrasing that the office of the president usually commands. For years, every speaker has said something to the effect of, members of Congress, I have the high privilege and the distinct honor of presenting to you the President of the United States. You got that? High privilege and distinct honor. Pelosi used that language for George W. Bush and Barack Obama. John Boehner used it for Barack Obama. Again, high privilege and distinct honor, the President of the United States. Paul Ryan uttered that phrase to introduce Obama and Trump.